Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about the multiplication and division of the rational numbers. So first of all, we are starting with the multiplication of the rational numbers. Now we will know how to multiply the rational numbers. Okay, you can see I have taken here three examples. Okay, and we will multiply these rational numbers. You can see here this one rational number, and we have to multiply same examples we have taken here. Okay, now how to multiply the rational numbers. So before starting this topic, you should know one rule that you have already done in the chapter of integer. That is what? Plus into plus is equals to plus, minus into plus is equals to minus, plus into minus is equals to minus, and minus into minus is equals to plus. This rule you have to keep remember. We are going to use this rule here. Okay, this notation rule you should keep remember always. Okay, so plus into plus, this dot means multiply into. Okay, plus plus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. And I already told you to remember this formula, this rule. How? Whenever you will have the same sign, then it will give plus only. Plus plus plus, minus minus plus, same sign we are multiplying, that means it will be plus only. Same sign, it will be plus only. And we are multiplying the opposite sign here, minus plus or plus minus, we are multiplying the opposite sign, so always will give negative sign. Okay, so do keep remember this rule. You can note it down also, no problem. So now first of all, what I have to do, first of all you have to check if any denominator or any numerator can be cut, then you have to cut it out. Okay, अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर कट हो सकता है तो उसको कट करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आप मल्टीप्लाई डाउन डाउन मल्टीप्लाई, दिस इज द रूल हियर. पहले चेक करना पड़ेगा कि डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर अगर कट हो सकता है तो कट करेंगे, अदरवाइज ऊपर में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, ऊपर में जितना सारा नंबर से सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, नीचे जितना सारा नंबर से सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. Okay, same rule as it was multiplication of the fractional number, multiplication of the fraction, जैसे कि ये सेम यहाँ पे भी वही होगा. Okay, so first of all you can see here minus 3 and 25 we cannot cut, minus 5 and 6 cannot cut, 3 5 cannot cut, 6 25 cannot cut. So what I have to do, even though you can see 3 and 6 can be cut, 3 and 6 can be cut, but we cannot cut it because both are the numerator here. So what I have to do, we have to multiply directly. That means minus 3 into 6 minus 5 into 25. That means 6 3 ja 18, 6 3 ja 18, and here minus, so minus into plus equals to minus. So 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125, so minus into plus equals to minus. Now this minus and this minus will be cancelled out, then it will be 18 by 125 answer. Okay, this minus and this minus will be cancelled out and removed, then 18 by 125 is the answer. So second question I'm taking. Okay, if you're having confusion here, okay, let me explain the next two questions. I think it will be clear. Okay, and still if you will have any question, any confusion, then you can have the comment in our comment section. Okay, so here you can see you can cut the numbers, denominator and numerator you can cut. How? Here 4 and 12 you can cut, 13 and 39 you can cut. So 4 3 ja 12 we are cutting. Okay, and 13 3 ja 39. Okay, now here we can see in numerator we are having what? Minus 3 and here 1. So minus 3 into 1, that means minus 3. Oh wait, here 3 and 3 also can be cut. So 3 3 cut. So in up it will be only minus 1. Here minus 1, here 1. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Here minus 1 and here 1. So minus 1 into 1 is equals to also here minus 1. So now here minus will be removed. That means how to remove? minus 1 and minus 1. How to remove? Just you have to cut the negative sign, but you will not show here that you are cutting the minus sign. Just you have to think minus and minus will be cancelled out, then 1 is the answer. Okay, now here you can see also we can cut both the denominators and numerator. How? Here 5 and 10 we can cut it. 5 2 ja 10, and here 3 and 2 3 and 6 we can cut it also. 3 2 ja 6. Now this 2 and 2 cut. Now you can see in denominator, what we are having here, 1 and 1, so 1 into 1 1, but in numerator what we are having here, minus 1 and here 1, so minus 1 into 1, that means minus 1, so minus 1 by 1, that means only minus 1, sorry. Okay, so what we have observed here, actually we are using the same rule as it was for multiplication of the fractional number, but here an extra thing we have to do. What it is? This is just after multiplication, after cancelling out the denominator and numerator, we have to multiply the notation also, sign also. We are cutting the notation also here. That is the extra thing here. Okay, so first of all, I think it will be cleared. First of all, you will pause the video, note it down, then we will go forward. Now we will talk about the division of the rational numbers. Same thing we have to use here as we have done for division of the fraction. Same rule we have to use here. So what have to do? First of all, you have to convert the division sign into multiply, and then we have to take the reciprocal of this rational number which is just after the division sign. Clear? Suppose question number 1 I am doing. So minus 3 by 5 will be same as it is. Then this division sign you have to change into multiply, and after changing this division sign into multiply, this rational number, that means the rational number which is lying just after the division sign, this rational number you have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? What will be the reciprocal of minus 6 by 25? It will be 25 by minus 6. Reciprocal of 2 will be what? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 will be what? 2 by 3. Okay, so then now what I have to do? Now just we have to do the simply multiplication. We have to do simply multiplication. We have to do here. So how to do multiply? How to do multiply here? So first of all, you can see 5 and 25 can be cut. So 5 ja 25. Now 3 and 6 also can be cut. So 3 2 ja 6. Clear? Now 5 and 2 cannot be cut. So now we have to multiply all the numerators, then we have to multiply all the denominators. So now you can see minus 1 into 5. So it will be minus 5, and denominator minus 1, here minus 1 is left. So minus 1 into 5, minus 5. And in numerator, what we are doing? Minus 1 into minus 2. Here minus 1 into here minus 2 left. Don't be confused. Okay, so minus 5 as it is. Minus 1 into minus 2, that means 2. 2 1 ja 2. Then minus into minus plus. So minus 5 by 2 is the answer. Is that clear what you have done here? This minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Then minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2, same as it is. Now in next line, in this line we have multiplied this into integers. 2 1 ja 2, then minus into minus plus here. Is that clear to all? Now we are doing the second question. Okay, so what I have to do? First of all, you have to change this sign into multiply. So minus 4 by 6, this division sign multiply, then 12 by 18. Now you have to cut it. So 6 2 ja 12. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18. Now what I have to do? Minus 2 into 2. Minus 2, this minus 2 into this 2. by this 9. So minus 2 into 2, so 2 2 ja 4, so minus, and before 2 plus, so minus into plus equals to minus by minus 4 by 9. Clear? Now this one, same rule you have to use. 17 by 34, same as it is, then division sign will be multiply, and then 24 by minus 8 will be minus 8 by 24. Okay, then 17 2 ja 34. Okay, 2 4 ja 8. Okay, then 4 6 ja 24. Now in denominator what we are having left, here 1 and here minus 1, so minus 1 by here 1 and 6, 6 1 is 6, so minus 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay, these are the simple example. But whenever you will have the fraction, mixed fractional rational number, that means suppose you are having 2 and 5 upon 6, okay, into 2 upon 3 by 4, whenever you will have this type of question, then don't be very, okay, what you have to do, just you have to convert into this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. Okay, in the form of this rational number you have to convert into in the form of improper fraction first, then you have to use the same rule. Is that clear? So these are the multiplication and division of the rational numbers. Hope this video will help you in your studies, and in the next class we will talk about further things about the rational numbers. Thank you for watching my video.